Writing style casual, hey food lovers. Are you ready to dive into the vibrant world of Asian cuisine without spending hours in the kitchen? Let's get cooking with some super simple dishes that anyone can make. First up, let's talk about a classic, fried rice. All you need is some leftover rice, a few veggies, and your choice of protein. Start by heating a little oil in a pan, toss in some chopped onions, garlic, and your protein. Could be chicken, shrimp, or keep it veggie with tofu. Add your cold rice, some soy sauce, and a sprinkle of spring onions. In just 10 minutes, you've got a delicious meal that's as easy as it is tasty. Next, how about a quick and comforting miso soup? Grab some miso paste from your local store, dissolve it in hot water, and add tofu cubes, seaweed, and a dash of green onions. It's soul warming and can be whipped up in under 5 minutes. And for a little bit of crunch, let's whip up some spring rolls. Grab rice paper wrappers, dip them in warm water, and fill them with a mix of fresh vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Add some cooked shrimp or keep it simple with just the veggies. Roll them up and pair with a tangy dipping sauce. Fresh, crunchy, and oh so satisfying. There you have it. 3 simple Asian dishes that you can make in minutes. Perfect for any beginner cook looking to explore new flavors without the fuss. Whether it's a quick weekday dinner or a special treat for the weekend, these recipes are sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Get in that kitchen and let's start cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Catch you next time.